Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Lexus NX 350 key battery. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need one new CR2032 lithium coin battery, which is a common type. Also, have a small flathead screwdriver ready, or you can simply use the emergency key blade from your fob. Make sure your hands are dry before starting. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by pressing the small release button located on the side of your fob. This will allow you to slide out the mechanical emergency key blade. Next, look for a small indentation or notch inside the key fob where the blade was housed. Insert the tip of your emergency key or the flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to pry open the casing. Carefully separate the two halves. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation. Typically, the positive side faces upwards. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old, depleted CR2032 battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully insert it, making sure the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing up. Ensure it sits snugly. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Gently press them together until you hear and feel them snap securely into place, ensuring there are no gaps. Slide the mechanical emergency key blade back into its designated slot. Now, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking, to confirm that the new battery is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.